Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing an everyday makeup look which you all can wear for college, at your workplace or wherever you want to wear it. It is going to be very simple and very basic. Now personally I love makeup, but I do not like to use too much of makeup on my skin because I always like to keep it very simple and very natural. So I do makeup only when I have a special event to attend, like for example a wedding or a show. Otherwise I just apply a lipstick and I'm good to go. So if you want to see how you can achieve an everyday makeup look, then continue watching. I've already done my brows and also prepped my skin, so now I'm going to apply the foundation. So for my foundation, I'm going to take the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in the shade Sand Beige. So this is how the foundation looks. This is my favorite foundation. I really love it. And then I'm going to take a plate like this to put my foundation on instead of my hand. So I'm just going to take one pump. And then I'm going to take a sponge like this, which is a beauty blender, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. You have to make sure that you cover every part of your face. Don't forget your under eyes. And make sure that you do not use too much of foundation. Just make sure you start by little, and then if needed, then you can take more. So I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm going to do my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to take the Profusion Mixed Metals eyeshadow palette. This is how the palette looks. Let me open it for you. This is how the palette looks from inside. It has got some beautiful shades in it, some neutral shades, and you know, if you all have some similar palettes with the similar tones, then you all can use it for your eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the shade Outgoing right here. I'm going to take a brush like this, and I'm going to take some little, and then I'm going to dust it, and I'm going to use it on my crease. Apply it on your crease. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Fearless, which is like an orange shade, and then I'm going to apply it below my crease. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a Celestial, and apply it in the center. You can also use your finger for that. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. So before that, I'm going to curl my lashes using a lash curler. And then for the mascara, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Now I'm going to apply my blush. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Calabar blush. This is in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So I'm going to take a brush and then take some blush, dust it, and then apply it on my cheeks. I'm going to apply some highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So I'm going to take a brush like this, and then I'm going to apply the highlighter over here. So once I'm done with the base and the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply the lipstick, which is the last step to do. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade I Explore. Then I'm going to take this lipstick from Nykaa. This is in the shade Nefertiti. Yeah, I'm done. So this is an everyday makeup look, which is very simple and very basic, and you can wear this wherever you want. So that's the look, guys. If you like it, then please don't forget to give me a like, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.